but it's super very cute and very very comfortable. It's foamy, it bounces like. Most how is this big? I say you go even to this thing where we will become brothers.
You don't
because you don't do it.
You go use now.
Hi guys, so I'm outside my house right now. I'm about to clean my shoes. I told you guys when I want to clean my shoes, I'll take you guys along. My ugly shoes. So I'm about to clean my shoes now. Every other thing that I had to do, I finished doing them. I'll be keep this one that way, so that when we clean, we put there. We clean me. When we clean, we put here. Clean. I don't know. I really don't understand the matter. No, see my lips. It just the crack, and start cleaning. Your Mary cold. Kevin socks this in. Socks. You're cold. Oh yeah. So update. I see we know that pointed the camera. Hear me what? No touching. No touching. You want to help mommy clean? Now the many things I have to clean after cleaning this. My ugly, old and worn out shoes. This should not old though. Ugly, old and worn out shoes. I should throw them away, but they are still saving life. This one is rubber, but it saves life during rainy season. This is for sports. This shoe, there's a story about this shoe. This used to be the shoe I wear when I walk. Like, I'm a lawyer, right? And when I walk, those times I used to walk, this was one of my flat shoe. This one was my cut shoe. I wear this one to cut. This one is my knockabout. Everywhere I go, I wear this one. People don't tire for this one for me, but this shoe is a lifesaver. See, the shoe too soft. Like, I've used this shoe and use this shoe. Come rain, come shine. The shoe still there. So that's why I cannot throw this shoe away, because it's a lifesaver. Sometimes when I don't feel like wearing shoe and I just want to wear shoe, because my outfit needs shoe, I'll just quickly wear this shoe. Lifesaver. Can't throw it away at all. Maybe I cannot throw this shoe away. My son is laughing at me. I will clean it very, very well. This shoe, very, very comfy, and it's actually very, very cute. If I wear it now, you see the fittings on my leg. Like, It looks funny, but it's super very cute and very very comfortable. It's foamy. It bounces like lifesaver. Let me even see if I can wear it. This is still my size. Come here. My leg is bigger than it. Hey. Looks like my leg is bigger than it. Now, is it because I'm sitting down? Amatan has dealt with my leg. Oh. I still will not treat iteration. Looks like the shoe. My leg is now bigger than it, but you see this shoe, I'm not trying it away. Like you guys know that one shoe, that one thing that you have amongst your stuff that you just cannot do away with. That's this shoe. And this shoe and that knockabout flats. These two shoes, no, I can't even try it. I know they throw one more. Like. You will break it. Who is this old woman inside here? Mesoma, who is this big auntie inside baby rocker?
This girl.
Is this girl? Say the thing can't break. They're calling you. Blessing don't come back from market too. For the first time in my life, for the first ever came in Misha, I sent her to just already buy fresh tomato, pepper, onions, sausages, and the rest. Because I'm not feeling like it today. I'm so impressed. Like, if me I go there for cheat meal, let's see the happen for you. So what blessing, but all of this tomato, I think this is 300 naira. They did well for her. And the market is not far from my house, like meaning not market, like shop. 300. I beg you plenty. No worry. Bless them, they cheat me. They cheat adult. Pepper. This is how much pepper? My blessing will go the right things now. Has to be the one. She has to be the one that will buy things now in this house. See fresh pepper. See fresh pepper. See fresh pepper. 300. See. Never finish. Jesus. It's plenty. You guys cannot even see it well. Like, they won't sell this for me. Oh. Is this 300 be 200? They won't sell this for me at all. See fresh tomatoes. See onions. See 200 naira onions. Hey, I don't think you need to help me sharply buy small things for one cook for house sharp. Onions 200. Never finish it. No, it's plenty. No, it's plenty. See person. If you want to be opening pure water, have teeth. But Papa, no teeth. You want to use your tongue to open pure water. Let's see how the magic goes. Such magic. Oh yeah. The size,
Okay, the size. But you know, see, like something like this now. If I cut this one now, the breast will be part this one times 2.
Blessing. Very raggedy.
The guarantor form due for my email address.
Everything is joint.
Tony, see as we give you this bike, see as it clean, not to do this bike.
Bucket.
I don't want any issue, I don't want any problem. And I don't want situation where I want to carry
The
last person I got to be stay for. You know where defense day.
Okay.
The first person we want to do away.
I'm just telling you.
He made it still look brand new. This one self was not here. When people was handling this bag, this thing was not here. I came back and saw it. I came back and saw that thing. I was not even happy.
Me, where you see like this, a family man at you. A family man, and as a security work, me I do before I go into this bike something. I work in one.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. Today is Sunday and it's like the time is like 2 o'clock. See, we do not go to church in this house. Me and this old man behind me. Shay, you will not be going to church, Abby. You will not go to church, Abby. You cannot carry mommy and go to church. You want mommy to carry you to your face. Guys, there's something beautiful I want to tell you guys about, and it's a new business I'm trying to launch, myself and my husband. Those of you that are doing business with your partners, you're really trying. It's not easy. The stress, the talk, everything put together. Hiring. My husband and I have been trying to launch this business through my food business. Actually, it's like a raw food business line. You know, you guys already know. I already told you guys. At least I hint you guys. I always hint you guys that I sell food and little boils here in Abuja. But right now, I want to start the sales of. I want to start selling raw food like raw rice, of other rice, ijebu garri, crayfish, or crayfish, afang, you know, stuff like that. But the first one, including palm oil, to village palm oil, like the very locally made palm oil. But right now, what we want to do is what we have done. It's, in fact, it's already 99% ready. It's garri ijebu. I'm going to put a sample of what I'm talking about on the screen for you guys to see. We have an Instagram handle for that, which is at sdk.foods. I'll leave it on the screen here for you guys to see. Please, you're going to be, by the time this vlog is going up, I'm sure we would have already launched this business. We would have already started selling. We also have plans of supplying supermarkets. We've gotten in touch with few supermarkets and we've told them about it, and they've agreed to give us a slot, like a shelf to they've agreed to accommodate us basically. And so you may be seeing us in supermarkets around you. If you're in Abuja, even if you're not in Abuja, you can order. It will be transferred, it will be way built to you. Please, it's going to be very, very affordable. Like garri ijebu, you guys already know, it's super nice for drinking. You can even drink it without sugar. Don't worry, our hygiene is very, very high. I like hygiene so much. It's crunchy, crispy, and it's 100% natural. Please patronize me at SDK Food. I'm going to put the number on the screen too for you guys to see. The number that you can reach us to order, and you know, so on and so forth. It's either you check us out on so that you check us out on WhatsApp, or oh my god, check us out on WhatsApp with the same number, and of course check us out on Instagram. And you can check us out on Instagram and send a DM if you don't want to order through our WhatsApp number. Whichever one will respond swiftly. It will respond to you and attend to you. So please, motherhood. You cannot even give me space to finish talking, Abby. You cannot give me space to finish talking. Anyways, guys, so that's basically it. It will be launching soon. It's already launched, because by the time this vlog is going up, it have already been launched. Please patronize me, okay? It's really, really affordable. It's going for 1,000 naira, super cheap, and it's, you know, it's super cheap and it's super affordable. Please patronize us. I'm having breakouts. I really don't understand why, but anyways, that's about it. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye. He's even the one rushing it. I'm so impressed.
As my bestie Mark Jacobs would say,
Take.
more is more.
Good job.